All right, guys. Good morning. It's Grease Monkey Radio here. Yeah, it's definitely calm before the storm. A little bit of snow we had the other day. Nothing real bad, nothing real serious, nothing like that. Probably not even able to measure. I don't even think there was an inch. It's probably about a quarter of an inch, maybe, if that. Don't know what the total accumulation was. Okay. All right, it's Tuesday, December the 20th, approximately 8:47 a.m. 21.6 degrees outside Fahrenheit. Approximately 85% humidity. Plenty of moisture out there today. Just wanted to post another update here. Show you what it's looking like out here. There's Benji's cat house. Yeah, the bottom one down there is Mr. Gray and the Tiger Boy. We got a little bit of a wind blocker there. Got another one to put in later on today if I can. Okay. Now there's Toby. Hi, Toby. How you doing, buddy? You tell everybody you said hi, huh? Say hi. Come here, Toby. Oh, he's more interested in that USB cable. Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that thing works good. I love it. Okay. Here's Princess. Hi, Mama Princess. How you doing, baby? Oh, she's so pretty. And then there's little baby Tiger. Hi, Tiger. How you doing, baby? He's so pretty, girl. Such a pretty baby. All right, I got my backup power hooked up. There we go. It's right there in the pocket. Look at that. Bit heavy, but it works. And here's big boy Sarge. Hi, Sarge. How you doing, buddy? Oh, man, what a good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. Oh, yeah. He's a good boy. I could rub his belly. He won't bite me. Yeah. Excuse me. A little bit of a Christmas display. All right, buddy. Okay. I'll see you in a little bit. I want to show you guys something else. Coffee. Mm-hmm. Yep. You got to have that coffee in the morning. At least I do. Alright, I want to show you something here. I got other stuff up here I don't want to get on the camera. Okay. Let's go over here where the light is better. Let's see here. I probably should. Let me do something here. Hey, look, Toby. How you doing, buddy? See if I can figure this out. Here we go. Hey, look at that. Well, maybe I better not put that on there. I probably shouldn't. Alright, look at that. Yep. That's a new postcard system from JD Marketing. Oops. Didn't reveal that, but it's okay. It's a local business card. Yeah, Cash Building System Unlimited from JD Marketing. I'm getting ready to do the upgrade under level 2. Now I'll get a free upgrade to level 3. Got until the 30th of this month to do that, so I am going to do that. Alright, let's take a sip of the coffee. There's actually coffee in there. Okay, look at this. The Return of the Gods by Jonathan Cahn. No, it wasn't free. I had to pay for it. But the price wasn't bad. From Life. I can't remember the name of the ministry. It was James Robinson Ministries. Okay, guys. Yeah, let's go over here and take a look. See what we got here. I gotta get all my junk out the way. Alright. That's where we're sitting right now. Yep, 22 degrees in the cat house, and there's no heater in there. There's no heater in there, so I put the heater in the cardboard boxes for those guys. Yeah. Got a little battery charger, some older batteries that I've had for a while. And I'm going to install those batteries into my little drill here. Gotta be careful because it's not screwed together. Yeah. Chicago Electric from Harbor Freight. The batteries didn't last long. Go figure, right? Okay, it's got a little charger. I'll put the batteries in there. Put that together here soon. That way I can use it for my little stuff on my bench when I'm working on my bench here. Not much going on the radio today. A little bit of skip out there.
Got 2 monkeys and a dog, doctor. That's what she's... You know I'll kill him, Brian. Hey, Brian. You know when I put the dog number down there every day, Brian? They only put down to 1 person. And that dog was trying to bring them down here, trying to bring here. I got to find not one from the phone trying to bring much lava. Penis here, the phone died.
I can't believe those things still smell.
Hey, doctor, it's calling me when you're talking to him. Hey, doctor, he's calling a name, he's talking to him. Hey, doctor, he called a name all morning. The flood that called a name all morning, they put in.
Alright guys, I got the big wheel. Now that's some meat on that tire now, isn't it? Ain't that crazy, man? These people put all these junk wheels on their cars, man. Ain't got no meat on the tire, man. Them tires are only about, a couple of inches tall or something, man. Then you go around a corner, the tire comes right off the rim. I've seen it many times. You got to go nice and easy and slow. You come around a corner, man. This is on regular roads, asphalt. But, man, they come around, they try to turn, going too fast, and it rips them tires right off the rims, man. That is crazy. Yeah, I put the chair there because my kitty cats like to go in and out of my car. But there it is. Yeah, that's the Jeep Commander. Yeah, I jack this thing up, put the stands up underneath it, yank this wheel off, disconnect. I gotta yank out the I ain't got the tools in here yet, but I gotta yank out the hub and the bearing hub. Yeah, I got a new one to go in it. Right there in that box right there. Yeah. I got a couple other parts that go on. I got to do the door. Somewhere in this garage, I have a package that has a new door mechanism, opening and closing. The door handle mechanism for the inside of the car. That's got to be replaced. I got to find that. It's here somewhere. I'll locate that. Go ahead, jump on up there, buddy. It's okay. Come on. Come here, Toby. Come on. Come on over here. Get up on the chair. Come here. Come on. Jump up on the chair. Come on. There you go. Jump up on the chair. There you go. There you go. Go ahead. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, look at that. There you go, buddy. You're such a good boy. He's a good boy. Here comes Sarge. Oh my goodness. Wow. Hey, Sarge, you want to get up there too? Oh, you're stuck here. Okay. Good boy. All right. You could jump up there too if you want to. Go ahead. It's okay, Sarge. You can go on up there. I don't mind it. It's okay to me. You don't want to go up? What's the matter, buddy? You can go up. You got too big, didn't you? You're too heavy. Man, if you only lost a pound, that'd be amazing. You might be like a young guy again. Want me to help you up? Go ahead. You could do it. Go on up. I'll help you. Come on. I'll help. I'll help you. Here. You coming up? No? Okay. All right. You don't want to go up. Okay. All right. I tried. Buddy.
I've been beating the plant all morning. Hey, Big A, I've been beating that bitch all morning, mate. Hey, Big A, I've been beating that bitch all morning, crying like a baby there for them.
$7.47 from Montreal, Canada. It sounds like there might be somebody in there across from the pond. Yeah, the furnace is running. That air handler, that thing puts out a lot of noise. Well, we went to the store yesterday. That's what you call a big box. 60 cans of pate Friskies. It's got some turkey and giblets dinner, Mariner's Catch mixed grill, liver and chicken dinner, ocean whitefish and tuna dinner, and that farm stuff right there, man, made with natural chicken. With chicken and something. I don't know what that says. With chicken and something, whatever. Let's see what it does say. Chicken and carrots. Carrots? Did you ever hear of cats eating carrots? I guess it's a possibility, man. I don't know. I've never imagined that, but I like them cooked, but I don't like them raw because I can't chew them. I don't have enough teeth. Yeah. Anyways, Sam's Club. Yeah. 60 cans. 10 of each flavor. Wow. Sam's Club. That's where to get it. That was $40, man. That's $39, man. That's crazy. Used to be 28 and it was 32. Just everything's going wild. Yeah, everything's going wild. Well, I guess it's Trump's fault, huh? Okay. I wanted to show you something. If I can get in here. I've got so much junk, so much stuff everywhere, but I was doing some work on this thing, trying to figure out what was going on. Couldn't seem to figure out why this thing wouldn't work. Excuse me. But I figured it out. Excuse me again. Yeah. I bought this to run some of my Bitcoin miners. So it came with the PCE 6 slots for the plugins of the miners on the end there. The end of these cables, positive cable, and then negative cable. So what I did, well, I ran it for a while. I did it. It ran. Excuse me. It ran perfect. I mean, it ran real good. But it only did 12 volts. I mean, this thing is exactly 12 volts. And if you shut the unit off, some of them are switched, you know, where you can actually shut them off. This thing was shut down. It only ran if it demanded power, so it's got sensing unit in here. I mean, this thing is, they're amazing. I love these things. 1200 watt if you get it on 240 volts. Or excuse me, 1200. Yeah, 1200 watt. So if you run it at 200 to 240 volts, it would do 1200 watt maximum at 100 amps. Can you imagine that? This little thing doing 100 amps? That is wild. 75 amp at 110 to 120 volts. 900 watts, man. And I think I was running 600 watts. I ran it at somewhere around 450 to 600 watts, depending on what the machine was running. So I cut those in, the PCE slots. I cut them off, and I put these here on there, 8 by 5/16. So these are for number 8 wire. And as you see, those are hydraulically crimped. They don't mess around with this stuff. Now, I don't solder mine. I do not do that. Electrically, these are correct. You can check them if you want, put loads on them, test them, whatever. And they're fine. You don't need to solder them. I don't. Some things are good, some things I don't know, man. If that's your thing to solder them, that's fine. Yeah, a little crowded here with my Jeep in here, but I got this big old thing in here. Look at this big old thing. 80 volt maximum, man. Yeah, Cobalt. Got it from Lowe's. This Cobalt is Lowe's brand. It's a snowblower, man. It's not self-propelled, so it's a pain in my back. But man, this thing shoots the snow, I'm telling you. It shoots it like crazy. Almost like a gas-powered one. It shoots that snow wherever you want it to go. And I mean, you put this thing on high and it shoots it. Alright, this is what I'm talking about here. Hydraulic wire crimping tool. This thing, man. This thing is something else. I tell you what, you take a little bit of cash in your pocket sometime, just go out and get something like this, and you'll never regret it. Now this is a smaller unit. I can't, I got trouble with my shoulders and my wrist and stuff, so this is perfect for me. Absolutely perfect. Let me get some light in here. There we go. Okay, a little bit better. All right. I'll set that there so you guys can see that. That's where these pieces go in here. They come in and out. You just pull them in and out. Then you got your extras, different sizes for different size wires, crimping for your lugs. Okay. Yeah, your lugs are rated by according to the wire size, so it's really easy to set this thing up, and it works phenomenal. You got your release here. Close it, crimp it, open it to release it. I mean, this thing works just phenomenal. I think I'm gonna put this here down in the drawer so it's not in my way. I got all my receipts and stuff in my storage thing there because it keeps getting in my way. There's no place to put that in here like some of the old Craftsman toolboxes. You can slide it up in the slots. You know, you can't do that here, and I don't want it underneath here because it doesn't fit right. So I'm gonna put that in the drawer to get that out of my way. But I watched one of the other guys on YouTube, and he was using a crimping device, and it's an expensive one. And I thought, you know, I'm not going to pay that kind of money for that because I'm not doing this on a regular basis as far as jobs go. I do it for myself, and every now and then I get somebody that wants something done, and I'll do that. But yeah, so that thing is phenomenal. It may be small, but you know, it does the job pretty good. There's Princess. Hi, baby. Come on out. Yep. Water. Yeah, I'd recommend you guys get yourself stocked up with some water. Yeah, this bugger right here, I'm going to use this. And I've got to test this unit over here I repaired on one of my previous videos. I'll have to connect a wire to it, two of them. I'm gonna have to put two short pieces of wire on it. I could use number 10 or something because I'm not going to use very much. And then I'll hook it up using that battery booster because it's got the battery clamps, and that'll be real easy. I just want to test it and put a little bit of a load on it because it wouldn't work before. It would keep shutting down. Now, like I showed you in a previous video, it was the thermistors. It's got two thermistors in parallel. What a joke, man. What a flippin' joke. Made in China. Everything else in here, man, works great. Works excellent. The fan works, everything. I thought I burnt this thing up. It was smoking like crazy, stinking the place up, man. And all because I plugged in my freezer. Are you kidding me, man? This thing's supposed to go up to 1600 watt, and I know it won't do that. I'm not stupid. So I just figured, hey, if this thing does 900, maybe 1000 watts, that's what I need. Okay, it's not a sine wave, it's just an inverter. It's a cheap one. I don't even know if they make these anymore. You're probably going to find this configuration with the way it's made and put together and everything. You'll probably find this on the internet. You'll probably find this somewhere. It'll have a different name on it because this is what they call branding, where a company will take something usually that has not been manufactured in a while, and they'll pick that back up and get the permits for it, and they'll basically buy the rights to it, and they'll put their name on it, and then they'll sell it. They'll manufacture and resell it, or pay a company to manufacture and resell it. Probably the same company that was doing it before. I believe that's what that is. So it's called branding. That's how you do it. Maybe there's a product that you like that you haven't seen in a while. You've been trying to find it, you can't find it. Well, you find the original company that manufactured it. You buy the rights to it. Go to that company and sign a contract with them to manufacture so many units over a period of time. And then you rebrand it with your name on it, your company name, whatever name that you have that you want to brand this with, and then you put it on the market and you resell it as your own. That's what branding is. Yep, that's what branding is. I'm not talking about branding now. Let's keep that down. Let's not talk about that right now. Okay. Anyways, all right. Okay, we got to put this stuff back. Like I said, this is a really good unit, man. This is an HP. And there used to be a lot of them out there on the market, especially on eBay and Amazon. And I bought this from eBay because I have certain stores that I like to buy stuff from, that I bought from in the past that I trust. So I usually repeat my orders. Yeah, I got a new device here. I picked up on a job just recently. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool. From Harbor Freight. It's been in a box for many years. Don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to test it. Yep, I'm going to do a test on it. See how it does. Yeah, I got that from a job that I did. Yep. You do little things for people and you exchange things, Maybe you might get some carrots. Yeah, you might get some green beans. My wife loves green beans. Oh, this thing is heavy. It's pulling down my sweats. Sure is working good, though. Yeah, it sure is working good. Well, I thought I'd come in there this morning with an update and let you guys know what's going on. It's cold out right now. I don't really want to go out there, but Benji is doing really, really good. Well, this thing getting warm. Yeah, it's getting warm. That's pretty cool. It's getting warm. But Benji, he's doing a lot better. His left front paw at the knee joint, or what we would refer to as the knee joint, is doing better. He still favors it just a little bit, but it's doing a lot better. And his medicine is yesterday, I think last night was the last dose for his antibiotic, and hopefully soon we can get him in and get his tooth taken out. I want to get that fractured tooth out, and get him fixed up there. So we're working on that. Alright, so we took this out in the car yesterday. This is a Dash Cam Pro. Yeah, see, I wired it up there. It's direct wired. And this is a battery pack, as I showed you on a previous video. It's got 4 AA batteries in it. I believe that's AA batteries. No, it's probably AAA. Yeah, it's AAA. Yep, AAA. My wife bought these things. The little 3M's got 2 magnets there, and it's got the little hole that you can fix it with. It's a little light. Let me turn it on the side. It's bright. Look at that. Whoo, that is bright, man. And this thing actually, when you plug it into the USB, use your USB cord here. You see, you plug it in to the, this is the old mini and regular standard USB 2.0, I believe. But you plug that into your cigarette lighter adapter, and then it powers this, so it comes on immediately after, and then it charges these batteries. And you got to have the batteries, because it has a lithium battery, but the lithium battery is dead. It will not charge, but these charge. So it keeps these charged. Hopefully it'll keep them charged. If not, I can take them out and recharge them on the charger up there I showed you. Yeah.